Alrighty, so we're back. We're in the RIO's cockpit again. This video's just going to be a quick video on how to put a waypoint in, so we can navigate to a target, a fixed point, steer point, anything like that. So first thing you want to do, roll down to here until you see waypoint 1, 2, 3, fixed point. You can basically use any of these as a waypoint. So waypoint 1, waypoint 2, waypoint 3. So waypoint 1, we'll chuck it in. We'll get to the coordinates, which I've already written down. Hold on, let me just get them up. Okay, so first coordinate here. So we go lat long, which is north, northeast. First coordinate is 2, 5, 5, 2, 4, 5. Confirm up there, 5, 2, 2, 5, sorry, 5, 2, 4. Enter. The next one is longitude east. You should see it up there. This one can be a bit tricky. Sometimes you have to put the 0 in front, so it is 0, 5, 6, 1, 8, 1, and you should see 181 there, and just press enter. So that has put the coordinates in there for that. And then what you do next is you put the altitude in. So this altitude here is 1404. You should see the altitude there, 1404. Press enter, and that's put a waypoint. As you can see, it is 46 nautical miles in that direction there. And that's how easy it is to put a waypoint. So if you want to, say you want to do another waypoint, what you do is you click waypoint, bang, do that exact same thing, input it there, and when you want to change, bang, change it to waypoint 2, and that'll come up there. It's pretty simple, but I've struggled to find videos on how to do it. A lot of videos just mention using this, but they don't mention when you're doing your easting to put the 0 in front. Otherwise, the numbers just don't match up. So that is just a quick navigation, steer point, waypoint entry video. So yeah, hope you enjoy it.